Hello guys, welcome to the new episode of our channel. Today we'll try to learn some basics of the important topic time and work. So today we'll discuss some basic points in time and work. So first we'll discuss the formula, then we'll see some problems. So we'll move on to the formula. Now the formula is m1 into d1 into t1 into e1 into w2 is equal to m2 into d2 into t2 into e2 into w1, where here you see m represents the number of men, d the number of days, t the time taken, e is the efficiency, and w2 is the work done. Here we can see that work and a person are directly proportional, but time and person are indirectly proportional. Then work and time is directly proportional. That is, more work means more person is required, more people means less time is required, and more work means more time and more people are required. Now we'll move on to the first question. A can do a piece of work in 5 days. How many days will he take to complete 5 works of the same type? Now we'll be seen that A can do a piece of work in 5 days. That number of days is given and the work is 1. Only one person is doing the work. So according to the formula, m1 d1 w2 is equal to m2 into d2 into w1. Here what is m1? Only one person is doing the work. So 1 into the number of days taken is 5, and w2 means the work done in the second part, that is 3, and in the second part how many men are doing the work? Only one man. So 1 into number of days we have to find, and w1 is 1. So we will get d2 is equal to 5 into 3, that is 15. Moving to the next question. 16 men can do a work in 10 days. Then how many men are needed to complete the work in 10 days? So men and the number of days are given, m1 and d1 are given, and in the question d2 is given. We have to find out the number of men needed to complete the work. So we will give it in the formula. We will substitute that in the formula. m1 d1 is equal to m2 d2. Now m2 d2. Now what is m1? m1 is 16, and what is d1? d1 is equal to 10. So 16 into 10 is equal to, what is m2? That we have to find, and d2 is equal to 40. So 10 and 40 gets cancelled by 4, and 4 and 16 gets cancelled by 4. So m2 is equal to 4. So we get the answer. Now we will move on to the next question. 40 men can cut 60 trees in 8 hours. If 8 men leave the job, how many trees will be cut in 12 hours? Here what are given? m1 is given 40, then number of trees cut, that is work, is given 60, and hours is given, t is given 8. Now when 8 men leave the job, that is 40 minus 8, that is 32. Now we got the equation, we will substitute it. So m1 is equal to 40, then t1 is equal to 8, and work is equal to 60. Now what is m2? m2 is equal to, it is given that 40 minus 8, that is equal to 32. Okay. Now what is t2? t2 is 12 hours. So we have to find w2, how many trees are cut down. So m1 t1 w2 is equal to m2 into t2 into w1. So we will substitute 40 into 8 into w2 is equal to 8 into w2 is w1 is equal w2 is equal to 32 into 12 into w1. Okay, that is equal to 60. Now We'll solve 40 into 8 is 320. Okay, 40 into 8 is 320. So 32 and 320 gets cancelled by 10, and 10 and the 60 will be cancelled by 6. So W2 is equal to 6 into 12, that is 72. Now the next question. 5 men can prepare 10 toys in 6 days working 6 hours a day. Then how many days can 12 men prepare 16 toys working 8 hours a day? So here number of men is given, toys, that is work is given, then T1 and number of hours is given. We have to find the number of days. So we will substitute that in the equation. M1 into D1 into T1 into E1 into W2 is equal to M2 into D2 into T2 into E2 into W1, because work is inversely proportional to the other factors. Now we will write what all are given in the question. What all are given? Number of men is given. M1 is equal to 5. And what is M2? M2 is also given. It is 12. So M1 and M2 are given. Now T1 is given, that is 6, and T2 we have to find out. Okay, T2 we have to find out. Then what is given? Then work is given. Work W1 is equal to 10 toys, 10, and W2 is equal to, W2 is also given, that is 16 toys. Now what about the hours? Number of hours, we will take H. H is equal to, H1 is equal to 6 and H2 is equal to 8. Now we will substitute these figures in the equation. So M1 into T1 into H1 into W2 is equal to M2 into T2 into H2 into W1. Now what is M1? 5 into T1 6, 6 into W2, H1 is given 6 and W2 is 16. That will be equal to M2, that is 12 into T2 into H, that is 8 into W1, that is 10. So 12 into T2 into 10 into 8. Cancel 6 and 12 by 2. Then 8 to the 16 and 16 gets cancelled. Then 5 and 10 cancelled by 2 and 2 and 6 cancelled by 3. So we will get T2 is equal to 3. These are some of the basic problems of time and work. Learn the basics thoroughly. In the next episode, we will see some new techniques and topics related to time and work. So if you like the video, hit the like button and share. Bye. Thank you.